In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your team name on FPL app. Let's get started. First, launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the fantasy page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll down. In order to change your team name on FPL, you'll need to use the web version. Within app, you won't get the option. So close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Fantasy Premier League, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now head over to the page, pick team, then scroll down. You're gonna find this option, admin. Under that, you will find the option of team details. Click on that. Now from here, you are able to change your team name. Just remove the old name and then type in the new one. Then click on update details. With that, your team name will be updated. So this way you can easily change your team name on FPL. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.